A tornado warning remains in effect until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northeastern Grady, southwestern Oklahoma, northwestern Cleveland, southeastern Canadian and northwestern McLean counties. At 6:37 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located 4 miles east of Union City, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado and tennis ball-size hail. Source: Broadcast Media confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include southwestern Oklahoma City, Newcastle, Yukon, Bethany, Mustang, War Acres, Tuttle, Union City, Minko, and Woodlawn Park. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 135 and 147. Interstate 44 between mile markers 108 and 122. Interstate 240 near mile marker 1. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.